Green flag. Kelly leads him down the back straightaway. Dyer around the outside of lane. That would be for second. Dyer trying to go around the outside of Greco. Not going to happen there yet. Dyer's in third. Here comes Jared Kramer now working the inside. And Brent Sexton's up there. Kramer takes third going down the back straightaway. 2 in the books this time by 18 to go. Kramer, the driver running second, put on a great race. Sent his second to Cody Nye. Hounded him all the way to the checkered flag. Brent Sexton gets to the inside of Dyer. Move the 44 to third. And new leaders, Jared Kramer. Point leader out front. Once out front, he moves away, but here comes the second place car, Sexton. Kelly shuts the door on Sexton, gets a little loose going down the back straightaway. Sexton changes lines. He takes over second from Kelly. Kelly heads out towards San Bernardino in turn 4 and slides all the way back to 4th. And he does it off turn number 2. Move the 37 car up to 4th. Greco 6th, Tobiasen 7th, Nye 8th, John Squire 9th. And Sexton, Brent Sexton, the second place car breaks. That's all 3 Sexton cars out of the main event. That gives a huge lead to Jared Kramer out front. Dyer 4th, Tobiasen 5th. Checker's going to come down this time by. Looks like they're actually going to come down. First win of the year for the point leader out of Spring Valley. It's Jared Kramer. Second is Lang. Third is Del Monte. Fourth is Dyer. Fifth goes to Tobiasen.